in today's video, we are going to learn number names. Les nombres in French. Les nombres. The numbers from 0 to 20. दोस्तों, कैसे हैं आप सब लोग? आशा करती हूँ सब अच्छे होंगे. मैं भी अच्छी हूँ. Thank you. Bonjour tout le monde. Hi everyone. Tout le monde is everyone in French. Again, bonjour tout le monde. Hi everyone. So, in today's video, we are going to learn number names. Les nombres in French. Les nombres. The numbers from 0 to 20. In the previous class, हमने करा था 0 से 10 तक. 0 to 10 we have learned in French. So today we are going to repeat from 0 to 10, and after that we will be learning 11 to 20 in French. So let's start. Écoutez et répétez après moi. Listen and repeat after me. Okay? Okay, let's start. Let's begin. तो शुरू करते हैं 0 से. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, nasal sound, 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. सो ये तो हमने पुराना रिपीट करा 0 to 10. ओके, अब नाउ आज हम लर्न करेंगे 11 to 20. These 11 to 20 number names are a little bit tough. तो kindly listen to me carefully. Please मेरे को ढंग से सुनिएगा. ओके, écoutez, répétez après moi. Okay? 11 is Onze, Douze, Treize, Quatorze, Quinze, Seize, Dix-sept, Dix-huit, Dix-neuf, Vingt. I'm going to repeat. Please मेरे को अब दोबारा से सुनिएगा. Onze, Douze, Treize, Quatorze. 14 is Quatorze in French. 14, 14. Quinze, 15. Seize, 16. Dix-sept. 10 plus 7 is 17 in French. Dix-sept. Okay? 10 plus 7 is equals to 17. So 10 in French is the 7 is sept. Dix-sept, Dix-huit. Again, same pattern we will follow in 18. 10 plus 8 is 18. Dix-huit, Dix-neuf, and Vingt. Okay? So now, अब हम we are going to be 0 to 20 in French. Okay? Okay? Écoutez, répétez après moi. Please listen to me carefully. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 10 plus 1, okay? 11 is 11. 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 is 14 in French. 14, 15. 15 is 15 in French. 15 को French में 15 15 कहते हैं. Okay? 15. 16. 16 is 16 in French. 16. Dix-sept. 10 plus 7 is 17. Dix-sept, Dix-huit, 10 plus 8 is 18. Dix-huit, Dix-neuf, Vingt. Okay, thank you so much for listening to me. Okay, मेरी और वीडियोस को आप देखिए, लाइक करिए, सुनते रहिए, प्रैक्टिस करिए, be in touch with me. Okay, bye-bye everyone. Au revoir, étudiants. Au revoir tout le monde. Au revoir.